To remove Plasti Dip from your vehicle, first pick a corner on any one of the panels. Rub the corner with the pad of your thumb to gently lift it up until there's about 1 to 2 inches, 2.5 to 5 centimeters, you can grab onto. Grip the corner of the Plasti Dip and gently pull it off of your vehicle. Go slowly so you don't accidentally rip the sheet off. If the sheet does break though, don't worry. Just repeat the process by running your thumb over the sheet where it broke to lift it back up. Then, continue to pull it off of the panel. Repeat this process for every panel on your car. For the trunk and doors, open them to make it easier to access an edge, since Plasti Dip usually covers the seams where they fit into the frame of your vehicle. If you're not able to peel the Plasti Dip off by hand, spray each panel on your vehicle with an oil lubricant. Then use a plastic razor or old gift card to scrape the Plasti Dip off. If you have any thin pieces of Plasti Dip left over, use a squeegee or microfiber cloth to buff them off. When you're done, wash your car with car soap and water to remove any remaining residue.